This is my poor baby. She's got kennel cough. Sounds awful. Come here, baby. You can see she's also got a very snotty nose there. She keeps having bouts of the coughs. Tends to come on more when she's giddy and excited. Usually when we've just come home, or if she gets a bit too warm or too cold. It's snowing at the moment, so when she goes outside she starts with a bad cough. Nothing the vets can give us because it's a viral infection. The antibiotics won't work, so we've just got to make her as comfortable as possible and let her body get rid of it. She's still eating fine. She's still playing with the kids, having a good run around, so we're not overly concerned at the moment, just keeping an eye on her. At first we thought there was something stuck in her throat because of how violent the coughing was. The vet said that's a common mistake that people assume. And she's still gorgeous. Hey. Right, let's give that nose a wipe.